Imagine waking up with a clear direction. You know what you have to do and how to do it. You have the right tools to make it happen with little effort. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Let's stop dreaming and start doing it. Welcome to Conscious Productivity. Today, we'll discover how to make a personal system that will change the way you work and live. This is for you if you are a busy entrepreneur, part of a team in a corporation, or just want to manage your day with purpose and less stress. Hi everyone, I'm Gonzaga and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the foundation of conscious productivity, building a strong productivity system. Remember, conscious productivity helps you do more while staying focused on your purpose and your well-being. Either you want to make your life easier, improve how your team works, or just get more done with less stress, you are in the right place. Let's start building a system that will change your productivity. Conscious productivity is about making meaningful results while using less effort. It's an important idea. Without a system, productivity is almost impossible. Your productivity system is the base of all that you do. It is how you organize your tasks, manage communication, and improve your teamwork. With the system, your day will flow with purpose. I work with an operations director who had too many things to do. They felt stressed, often forgot important tasks, and felt like they were going in circles. After we set up a simple system, using Trello for tasks, they did much more in a few weeks. Now, think about your current work style. Do you have a system for managing your day, or do you feel like you have too many things to do? Tell me in the comments. What are the parts of your good productivity system? It's a mix of process, tools, and technology that work together to keep you organized. Here are some things to think about. Task management tools. For your tasks and your team's tasks, for example, Microsoft Planner, Asana, Notion, or Trello. Calendar, for your meetings, appointments, and deadlines. Also for your team's meetings, appointments, or deadlines. I suggest a digital calendar like Outlook or Microsoft Teams, although paper calendars are also good. Email management. Use Inbox Zero or email sorting tools like Spark to manage your inbox. File organization tools. Use tools like OneDrive, SharePoint, or Google Drive to keep your files easy to find. You also need note-taking apps. Write down your ideas, meeting notes, and thoughts with apps like OneNote, Evernote, or Notion. Communication tools. Use tools to chat or message. Platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom help communication, especially for teams. AI virtual assistants. Leverage AI virtual assistants for support with tasks like summarizing information, creating contact, or setting reminders to streamline your workflow. For my system, I use Notion for tasks and projects, Outlook for my schedule, and when I work with my team, we use Notion that help us organize everything from project plans to meeting notes in just one place. And you, what tools do you use in each of these categories? Share them in the comments. Here's another thing. Your system does not have to be all digital or all paper. The best systems are a mix of both. Some people like the speed of digital task apps, but like to write in a paper planner. The key is to find the mix that works for you. For me, if I want to brainstorm ideas, I use paper and pen. For tasks, I like small papers with 2 or 3 tasks for the next time slot I will be working on. If you are new to productivity systems, try different digital and paper tools. See what works for you and then you decide. A great productivity system is one that feels easy to use. Your system should help you do things well without getting in your way. If your system feels easy, you can use your brain power for ideas, planning, and solving problems. That's a very good system. I remember a team I work with that used an old mail system for project updates. After they start using Slack, things were better. Conversations were faster, teamwork was easier, and their work just flowed. Think about your current system. Does it help you work easily, or does it slow you down? A good system can help you be more creative and think better. When your tasks, ideas, and tools are organized, your mind can think about new ideas and big problems. Use tools like Notion or OneNote to write down your ideas right away. This stops your ideas from getting lost. Conscious productivity is not just about personal work, it's about how we work with others. A good system helps teamwork, everyone knows what to do and works toward the same goals. In my remote team, we use Notion for daily tasks, WhatsApp for daily chats, and OneDrive for file sharing. This simple system keeps everyone on track, helps us avoid confusion, and help us work together even when we are at different places. Think about how your team works. Are there any problems with teamwork or talking to each other? Could better tools help? Here's where conscious productivity is great. It's not just about doing more tasks. It's about connecting your work to your goals and to taking care of yourself. Your systems should support what you do, why you do it, and help you stay balanced. Think about your goals. Does your system help you? Does it help your well-being? Making a good system is not something you do once and forget it. It's a process of improving. As your needs change and your new tools appear, change your system. My team started with Asana for projects and task management, but we wanted the same tool for tasks, projects, and information. We found that Notion had those features and we need them. So we changed our system and found something that worked better for us. Check your system every few months. What is working well? What needs improvement? Even small changes can make a big difference. That's how you make a conscious productivity system for you. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with purpose. By using the right tools, process, and a mindful approach, you will do more and feel good. Now, it's your turn. Start by thinking about your current system. What is working well? What is causing you problems? Choose one thing you want to improve this week. This could be organizing your files, probably your tasks, or using new team tools. Share your productivity goals in the comments and let's help each other. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, stay conscious, stay productive.